This is FET330, technology element. In a user authentication method that compares the input password with the registered password, which of the following is a measure for preventing the theft of a registered password through unauthorized access to the password file? A. The hash value of the user ID corresponding to the password is registered. At the time of authentication, the input user ID is converted using the hash function, and the registered password and the input password are compared. In B, the file in which the password is registered without modification is compressed. At the time of authentication, the compressed file is decompressed and compared with the input password. In C, a password is converted into a hash value and registered. At the time of authentication, the input password is converted with the hash function and then compared with the registered password. D. A password is registered as it is. At the time of authentication, the input password and the registered password are both converted with the hash function and then compared. A hash value is a value of fixed length determined from the data assigned by a certain algorithm. The characteristics of the hash values are: if the original data differs, the hash value derived from it usually differs. The hash value is rarely the same. Even if the hash value and the hash function are known, the source data cannot be identified. Therefore, if a password is converted into a hash value, the original password cannot be recovered from the hash value, even if the password file is stolen. Hence, C is the most appropriate answer. But let's look at why the other options weren't selected. In A, converting a user ID with a hash function has nothing to do with password theft prevention. In B and D, if the entire password file is stolen, fraudulent use of stolen passwords cannot be prevented, and unauthorized users cannot be kept out, as we have not used the hash function to change the passwords before they have been stored. Here the answer was C. In this video, we've looked at why we use the hash function and also how we use the hash function to prevent from fraudulent activities.